Fáilte chuig Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne, Gaelcholáiste nua oscailte a dúscair Cathair Carkey. Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne was established in response to the unprecedented demand for Irish medium education for girls and boys in our local community. We are delighted to offer a unique educational option on Cork's north side that provides exceptional opportunities through the medium of Irish in a vibrant, progressive and contemporary learning environment. Our campus is situated on an 11-acre site. Our state-of-the-art facilities here at GMS include science laboratories, a STEM room equipped with Apple Mac desktops, a modern sports hall and gym, a school JCSP library and many other specialised rooms. At GMS, we offer a broad-based education and curriculum designed to enable our students to discover their strengths and to make the most of their own individual talents within GMS and beyond. Our aim is to ensure that every student entrusted to our care excels and fulfills their potential, both personally and academically. We offer a wide range of subjects at junior cycle, transition year and senior cycle, including science, home economics, art, music, woodwork, business studies, history and geography, all through the medium of Irish. As an Apple iPad school, we also offer junior cycle short courses to prepare students for 21st century employment, such as coding and digital media literacy. The well-being of our students lies at the core of our curriculum, and student voice plays a key role here in school development. We are exceptionally proud of our dedicated, skilled and multilingual staff who are committed to providing an exceptional educational experience for our students, including the promotion of self-confidence, resilience and integrity through inspiring and innovative teaching.
Tá strateigi agsúla curtha I bhaim a going in Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne chun scileanna I bhreachta na scoláirí a Herbert.
Bíonn mór éilimh an tíreolaíocht mar ábhar rónach in Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne. Déanann na scoláirí staidéir an tíreolaíocht Isisceach, Réigiúnach agus Gaonna.
Tá Saorlann New-Aimsire dá eise againn in Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne buineann na scoláirí an taobh as na turgnaimh óíochta.
Déanamid orníthil stratéisi éifeachta a chur a bhaim chun an Gaeilge chur chun cinn a meas na naltaí, agus go bhfeicadís mar hanga bheo Chomhaimsir Thaí.
We run courses in coding that develop the student's ability to solve problems logically, to design, write and test code through the development of programs, apps, games, animations and websites, and overall to learn about computer science.
Is ábharíochtanach í an Francais don Trachóiseach. Cuireann sonraíocht na Francaise bé mar chumas commerceáide agus feasacht cultúrtha an Dalta.
The Guidance and Counselling Department of the school provides a central role in the student's emotional, social, learning and career development, and the progression of each student to further study and training.
In music, students get the opportunity to learn various instruments and participate in singing activities throughout the school year, with the school choir and various school concerts.
Here in the Woodwork Department at Terence McSweeney Community College, we aim to inspire the next generation of carpenters, joiners, architects, builders and engineers through encouraging independence of thought and design in a supportive and enjoyable environment.
We're looking forward to welcoming you to Home Economics. We are going to learn all about what's healthy to eat, and we're going to learn about nice things to cook. But we're also going to learn about managing your money, and we're going to learn about sustainability and how important it is for us and the environment.
In our rangana Aliana, ní a bhain go mbíonn na scoláirí cruthaach ach fabhla mbíonn siad faoin deanga criticúil agus faoi cultúr agus léirthuiscint amhrac.
With a range of sporting facilities here at the school, the students of Terence McSweeney and Gaelcholáiste Mhic-Cheimhne can experience a broad and exciting curriculum.
We are dedicated to our students' academic and holistic development. We work to instil each student with a true sense of self-worth, encouraging their individual and communal contributions, preparing them for the world of work and higher education. To ensure we support the overall growth and development of our students, we offer an extensive range of extracurricular activities, particularly in music and sport. We offer hurling, camogie, Gaelic football, soccer, basketball, and athletics, which is coached by international sprinter Miss Joan Healy. Music is pivotal to our school's culture. Music generation and music mashup allow young people to access high-quality performance education in their locality. Every year, the school produces a musical directed by well-known Irish actor Ciarán Birmingham and is showcased in Cork Opera House. Students also participate in Clár Tech Space, an education programme which focuses on STEAM and digital creativity projects, and Gael Bhratach, a scheme coordinated by Gaelin which supports and encourages schools in their efforts to promote the Irish language. The School Completion Programme organises a daily breakfast club before school on campus. Students are also offered a healthy hot lunch. After school, supervised study is available and students are encouraged to attend.
I think it was the right choice for my son. I feel he's academic and they're very academic up here.
I love Irish, I love speaking it, it's a lovely language, and
it just feels different from primary because I'm speaking Irish all the time, and I feel like it's just going to be better for my education.
Especially for their personal development, I think they foster that up here.
The subject choice is something that I'm very happy with. I think that they literally can do whatever they want subject-wise. You know, there doesn't seem to be any limits on it, and that's something that's the biggest thing for me, is that my son is going to have the opportunity to do whatever he wants right up till 6th year, and hopefully with the guidance from the teachers and staff that he'll choose the right subjects and move on to bigger and better things afterwards.
Yeah, I love music and I love science.
PE and woodwork, they're my two favourite classes.
The classroom sizes are small. Your child will be looked after well, educated well. Teachers are lovely up here. There's great support.
When you talk about facilities, I like the fact that it's really focused. They feel that they've got their own kind of campus, and I mentioned Hillary on the way, and it's got that kind of like American high school vibe. You know, it's just really forward thinking.
Just everything about it is great school.
I was zero Irish. It was a worry at the start, I'll be honest. It was a big worry for me, you know, because to be straight up, you know, you question, you know, whether you're going to be able to kind of help them, whether you're going to be able to guide them. But the staff and the management, you know, they've been very hands-on with everything.
I think it's teachers are great.
Teachers, they're great teachers. They're very supportive, very helpful.
I would definitely recommend it because the teachers, they're lovely and they'll just help. They're like very supportive.
Even if your kid doesn't have the greatest Irish already, they will be guided, they will be helped, you know. So first thing is have a bit of faith and know that your kid can do it.
Do it, just come here, it's class. You'll love it here, really.
Rias anam dom, agus Thomas a céad blin. Is bralam alán rodí sa scoil. Tá méid déanamh alán ábhar nua. Is fearlam tíosc mata agus ada gano. Tá alán cardia nua agam, agus tá na múntóirí cearachas cardia.
We invite you to consider the high standard of teaching and learning we provide here at Gael Coláiste Mhicibne, supporting students to achieve their full potential through Irish language and culture in an environment of academic excellence. Please visit our website and social media accounts for further information, or call or email to arrange an appointment.
Fáilte chuig Gael Coláiste Mhicibne. We look forward to welcoming you all here next September.